What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Turn Wrenches YouTube channel. We finished, guys. Everything's done. Getting ready to take her out for her first run. Just a few things that I need to fix or change, but for the most part, we're completely done with the project. As you can see, I'm sitting in her and she's ready to go. So I want to go over the build with you guys, just so you know most of the stuff that went into building this thing. So the first thing is I actually used 11 gauge steel, 1x1 square. The next thing I used was a 208cc Duramax electric start motor. I used the 30 series torque converter. I also built a custom exhaust with the RLV muffler. For the motor, I used the ARC top plate, and I put an Amazon rectifier on there as well. Also a fuel pump from Amazon. I got a custom intake from AGT, I believe, and the Mikuni carb on there. Let's see what else. I got the Amazon steering wheel on here. I got the Amazon hydraulic brakes on there. I got the standard jack shaft with aluminum cover plate on it. I got the push button start with the kill switch. I used 420 chain on this thing. I went with the split sprocket for the drive on the back. I used a good old lawn and garden battery. I used the stock tank off of the Duramax. I went with the Denali 12-inch rear and 11-inch front tires. And of course, it all caps off with the 2014 Denali body. I really like this this body for this build. It's a dream truck. So that's the end of it, guys. That's pretty much all the stuff that went into it. There's some things I want to change. I want to change the exhaust. I need to turn it down. I want to change out the steering a little bit. Let's see. I think there's some other things I just can't recall right now. But for the most part, almost started it. For the most part right now, everything's done. So we're going to take this thing for its first run. We're going to run around this little neighborhood real quick and hope nothing breaks or gets broken or falls apart, because I made it all myself. Let's go take this thing for its first ride. Comfy little seats. So that's good. Alright guys, had to jump off real quick. It started smoking, and that's from that exhaust header thing. But for the most part, it was a successful ride. And we did 34 miles an hour. We almost went 2 miles. So, I'd say the project was a success. That heat from that exhaust on my foot, I'm definitely going to turn that thing down. That is horrible. Just heating up my foot, like uncomfortable. So definitely turn that thing down to there. New pipe down. We'll fix that for sure. Steering wheel could be up a little bit higher, but for the first one, it's not too bad. Alright guys, well, shout out to all 51 subscribers. Somebody actually subscribed to me today. So, shout out to the 51st subscriber. We're getting there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this build. Leave a like. Next build is the trike. It might be like 2 weeks before that comes out. I just don't know if I'm gonna have the time with work and being sick, if you couldn't tell. But yep, trike's next. She's over there still smoking, but we did it, guys. That's the build. Glad you guys came along for the journey. Later. Quick update. Didn't realize it completely melted the front of the plastic. Sad face.